Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials: physical notes, class slides, and assignment briefs so nothing hides. Make a quick list of tasks with deadlines and mark what's urgent versus important to focus energy where it matters. Once done, assign 30 to 60-minute review blocks for each subject so you actually touch material instead of planning forever. This rapid start forces momentum and reveals realistic time needs. You'll know what to tackle first and avoid drifting into low-priority work. Now you break tasks into small, timed subtasks so progress is visible and motivation stays high. Once subdivided, add them to a weekly planner and color code by subject to spot clashes quickly. Make sure to include class times and study blocks. Use calendar alerts and set a 10 to 20% buffer for overruns so deadlines don't collapse. This structure converts vague goals into doable actions, keeps your day balanced, and prevents last-minute all-nighters by spreading work sensibly. Finish each subtask and immediately check it against the assignment brief or rubric so you meet expectations before moving on. Once a draft is complete, do a focused 10 to 15-minute review and a quick edit pass to catch obvious gaps and polish language. If you hit a roadblock, pause and write down exactly what's stopping you, then ask a teacher or classmate for one specific clarification. That troubleshooting step saves hours and keeps momentum toward final submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.